How to install Windows Media Player on Windows 11. Windows Media Player is a popular media that allows you to play audio and video files on your computer. While Windows 11 doesn't come with Windows Media Player pre-installed, it's still possible to install it on your computer. So let's get started. Click on the Start menu. Open the Settings app. Once you're on the Settings app, click on the Apps option. Then click on Optional Features option on the right hand side. Then click on View Feature from Optional Features section. Then type Media Player on the search box. Select it. Then click Next. Now click on Install. Now wait for installing. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Windows Media Player by clicking on the Windows icon on the taskbar and searching for Windows Media Player in the search box. You can also find it in the Start menu. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily install Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.